ABBA English Pricing explained what you get for your money. ABBA English is an online English learning platform, but most people get this wrong. They assume all language apps are similar. The surprising truth is that ABBA English uses a film-based methodology and real-life scenarios to improve listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills simultaneously. Pricing starts with a free trial giving access to select lessons. 8 plans begin at $99 per month, with yearly subscriptions lowering the monthly cost to around. You won't believe the features included: full access to 144 video-based lessons, personalized learning plans, progress tracking, and teacher feedback for premium users. The platform is accessible on both desktop and mobile devices, making learning flexible and convenient. Most people get this wrong by comparing ABBA English to standard flashcard apps. Its immersive methodology, interactive exercises, and certified teachers provide a more structured learning experience, which can accelerate language acquisition. In conclusion, ABBA English Pricing reflects the combination of interactive content and expert guidance. By understanding subscription tiers, lesson access, and additional features, you go from zero to pro in choosing an English learning platform that is both engaging and effective.